Hey everyone, I'm here with a quick unboxing or show of the latest Crafter's Companion monthly craft kit. This is the Sing Create card. It is number, let's see here, number 36, one of my lucky numbers. And there is the front. There are over 290 elements, they say, on this. It includes 24 cards and 24 envelopes along with the accessories. And so let's go through what all comes in this kit. Now I do have to unbox this before I can show because their kits this year come in pretty little polka dotted envelopes for each little element. So I take them out of that before I do my video. So they do come to you that way with each individual item. It's nice because you can reuse those. However, you know, it makes it kind of hard for me to store my ribbons and things. So that's pretty much where we're at. So let's start with the papers in this kit since that's what I'm on here. It comes with 5 different shades of solid. I wish it was 6. I wish it had the 2 different shades on the blue like it does with the others, but very pretty on those. These are very spring-like in their coloring. This is a floral, more or less themed kit. And then these are the printed papers, and I love the polka dotted blue here, and then it's got the blue in here, and then a different polka dot on the greenish here, and a third polka dot there. So very nice with those. So those are the paper themes, and sticking with that color theme, it does come with ribbons. These are the satin type ribbons in 3 different sizes. So you've got the medium there and the larger size in the back. And the larger size is approximately 3/4 of an inch. And those come in the green, the blue, and the pinkish red. Then matching with that are the pearls. You see it there in the blue, the green, and the pinkish red also. And it's nice because in addition to the regular pearls there, it came with some of the clear drops. And these are great to represent moisture and water on your cards, like if you had splashing or rain. Then the last 2 items, one is the card blanks. The card blanks come in the 4x6, 5x7, and a 6x6, which is quickly becoming one of my favorite sizes. And then the matching envelopes there. So this is kit number 36, create a card. Oh, I'm sorry, and last item and most important reason why you would get the kit are the dies. And it was nice because on this one it came with 2 different dies. One is this adorable mushroom house. And I could see you could do this and maybe put a fairy on the outside. Maybe even a little unicorn or some other mystical creature. And then the other one is a floral edge card die here. And it's pretty good sized. This one, if you look here, looks like it is approximately 6 inches. So great for a 6-inch card. And you can see on the box there, there's the floral one. And there is the little house one. Both of them are edge cards. So thank you for joining me. This item is currently on Crafter's Companion website. If you're part of the subscription base on HSN, you'll also be have the option of getting it that way. You cannot join that except for at specific times. But like I said, right now they've been offering their monthly kits on Crafter's Companion for more or less the same price. The shipping's more. So you would want to order other things to make it kind of worth that if you went that route. That's pretty much it. Thank you for joining me. Be sure to share and like and subscribe. And I'll see you again soon.